welcome to another video of Little Creators.
Hi.
This is my little sister, Madison. Today we will be showing you how to fix your blush. So Maddie, would you want to show them what to do? Like what to put in? Okay, well, what you need is blush. It's, as you can see here, this is my grandma's. It is completely wrecked and it's probably pretty hard for her to use it. Then you're also going to need some rubbing alcohol. It is not necessary for you to have this much, but this is just the bottle that we happen to have. You'll also need a bowl and a spoon. Okay, so what you're going to do first is get your blush, and I am going to pour it into this container. You get every little bit of it. Okay, now that I've got that, I'm going to get all crushed a bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the rubbing alcohol and get my sister to pour the smallest dot ever into it. And that'll be good. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of stirring here. I'm gonna get my sister to mix it. So it's all mixed up. And now it's gonna start turning a bit squishy. I'm gonna put in a bit more because it's not very wet at all, but you really don't need a lot. Okay, so we're gonna continue stirring it. Take a little shot at mixing it, and it is now all mixed up. Now that we have our substance, we're going to scrape all of it out because we really don't want to be wasting the blush. And put it in. It kind of looks like dirt right now, but it's going to become blush.
Looks like wet dirt.
It's like earthworm dirt. So we're spreading it all out so it starts looking like blush. Because it is blush, it shouldn't look like disgusting dirt. We're going to try to make it look new. So it's starting. Madison's going to put a bit in. So we're gonna make it look brand new. So I'm just gonna get my sister to flatten that out a bit more. And this is not necessary, but just because it is for my grandma, I'm gonna put the G right in the center of our blush. Okay, now I'm gonna make my pen a bit big and do a big G. With a heart. Once you have packed down the makeup, you've got to let it dry for at least 2 hours before you use it. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Bye.